Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Ps5 ready. Update the console, sign into PSN, and download the Roblox app. Once done, launch Roblox and choose Sign In rather than creating a new account so you can link your existing profile. Make sure your Roblox account email and password are available on another device. You'll need them. If parental controls block installs, temporarily adjust settings. This gets you into the app quickly, so you can move straight to account linking and verification steps. Now you'll sign into your Roblox account on the Ps5. Choose Login, type your username or email using the on-screen keyboard, and enter the password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, grab your authenticator or email code on your phone and enter it when prompted. Sometimes the Ps5 shows a short web code to complete verification. Make sure your account age and privacy allow console play. Otherwise, adjust those settings in your Roblox account settings on a browser. This links your profile and preserves friends, items, and games. Finish by launching any Roblox experience and verifying controls, audio, and that your avatar and inventories appear correctly. If something fails, first reboot the Ps5, then reinstall Roblox. Clear temporary data and test the network connection. Open NAT or strict NAT can block features. Make sure your Roblox account isn't age-restricted or locked to another platform. If you still can't sign in, use password reset and re-enable 2FA carefully. Contact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.